Memorial Day Sunday. My kids and I are about to go to Madison Square Park and take a little picnic and show you the latest art exhibit. This is my son Joaquin. This is my daughter Olivia. And we're going to take you on a little scooter ride over the park. See you soon. Hey guys, so we finally made it. Here we are at the park. We're having a little picnic. I hope you like the footage on the scooter. It's a beautiful, beautiful day here in Manhattan, Madison Square Park. We're super blessed to be here. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. To all the servicemen and women out there, big hats off. Thanks so much for your service. To all the veterans like me, big thumbs up. We did our job years ago. But anyway, I hope everyone's having a nice weekend, and we'll see you soon.